She's just entering now, but I already can tell you that she is being placed into courses that will challenge her and encourage her to move forward and be the best student that she can be and the best learner that she can be.
I feel that Middletown helps them obtain scholarships, make sure that a lot of the graduates are making decisions that they will be part of in the future.
Our guidance team, our teachers, from the curriculum all the way to the counseling, the college counseling that they have in place. I can say that even our freshman English class is probably comparable to an English 101 class in some colleges or junior colleges right now. So I'm very confident that my daughter will leave here ready, especially when she enters her freshman year of college.